Struggling with error code 651 from your modem on Windows 11? You're not alone. In this video, we'll show you 4 effective fixes to resolve this issue quickly. Press the Windows plus X keys together to see the context menu of the Start button. Then, tap on the R key on your keyboard to open the Run command box. Type CMD in the text box of the Run window, and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys together to open the command prompt as admin. Copy and paste the below given command in the command prompt window that just opened and hit Enter key to execute it. Netch interface TCP, set global auto-tuning =sign disabled. Once done, close the command prompt window. Press the Windows and R keys together on your keyboard, which opens the Run box. Next, type CMD in the Run box and tap on Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys together to open the elevated command prompt. Click Yes on the User Access Control prompt to continue. Enter the following line in the command prompt and execute it by pressing Enter key. Netch int IP reset reset.log. This will reset the TCP IP on your system. Once it is done, close the command prompt and reboot your system, and then check if the problem is solved. Press the Windows and R keys together to open the Run command box. Type ncpa.cpl in the Run box and press Enter key to open the Network Connections page. Right-click on the Ethernet adapter and click Properties from the context menu as shown below. Once the Ethernet Properties window opens, uncheck the Internet Protocol version 6, IPv6 checkbox and click OK. This will disable the IPv6 on your system for Ethernet. Open the Run box by pressing the Windows and R keys simultaneously. Type control.exe/name Microsoft.troubleshooting in the Run box and press Enter key to open the Troubleshoot page directly. Select Other Troubleshooters options by clicking on it as shown below. Scroll down the page and perform the Network Adapter Troubleshoot by clicking Run as shown in the below image. It will start detecting the problems related to the network adapter and follow the on-screen instructions to fix the issue if any are found. Once done, close the window and check if the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.